Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario Bros. Underground theme on piano. First, let's get familiar with the main melody and the distinctive bass line. This iconic tune is in the key of C minor, which means 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Place your left hand around middle C for the bass and your right hand slightly above for the melody. We'll start by learning the left hand part, which provides the rhythmic foundation. Now let's tackle the left hand. The bass line is a repeating pattern, primarily using C, G, and F notes. You'll play a low C, then a G, followed by a higher C, and then G again. This creates a distinctive oompa feel. Practice this pattern slowly, ensuring each note is clear and the rhythm is consistent. The tempo is quite brisk, so aim for precision over speed initially. This foundation is crucial for the song's energy. Next, we'll focus on the right hand, which carries the famous melody. The opening phrase starts with E flat, C, and A flat, then repeats. It's a bit syncopated, so listen carefully to the original for timing. Use fingers 2, 1, and 5 for these notes to ensure smooth transitions. Practice this section repeatedly until it feels natural. The melody has a playful, bouncing quality that defines the theme. Aim for a light touch. Finally, let's bring both hands together. Start very slowly, playing one measure at a time, ensuring both hands are synchronized. The left hand provides a steady 8th note pulse, while the right hand plays the melody. Break the song into smaller 2 to 4 measure sections. Once you're comfortable with each section, gradually increase your speed. Consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes daily, will help you master this fun and challenging piece. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.